Hey guys, so I took my Model 3 into service to fix the imprints on the dashboard, the tires vibrating, and the scratches on the car. And here is what Tesla determined on each one of the three of them. Let's go. It took me about 5 months to figure out what's going on with my tires and why my wheels are vibrating at high speed. I took it into service fully expecting they would admit the problem, that they delivered the car with misaligned tires and they would fix it. And instead, they asked me to pay for the tires because they figured out the tires are ruined and they didn't even want to do an alignment. They asked me to pay 987 euros without tax plus 130 euros for work to replace the tires with brand new tires. My first question is, why did you refuse to do a tire rotation beforehand? Why did you say tire rotations are bullshit? Second of all, why don't you admit that a 5-month-old car should not have to replace the tires? Third of all, why don't you admit that you delivered the car with misaligned tires, misaligned wheels? Why do I have to pay for it? Well, they claim tires are not under warranty. Tires may not be under warranty, but delivering a car with properly aligned wheels definitely is, and they should have done that before. But I think to myself, I already drove a couple thousand kilometers in these tires. Tesla is a struggling company. I want to support it, so maybe I'm just going to go ahead and buy the tires myself and just ask them to align the wheels properly next time. Next are the two famous dashboard imprints. What do you think Tesla thought about them? My thought was they're going to look at them, admit they're a problem, as with many other owners, replace the top part of the dashboard under warranty. You know what Tesla does? They go ahead and say, this is a cosmetic issue, we're not going to solve cosmetic issues. If it is going to be solved, it will be customer paid 500 euros without tax. Now, at this point in the story, I figured out that Tesla will lie even about manufacturing defects, and they will not fix them. So, returning back to the tires issue, I figured out that it's obviously their fault, but they just did what they just did with the dashboard. They lied their way out of it, so they say it's customer pay, the customer has to pay for it. So, here what happens next. The next reason I took the car into service is to fix the two scratches I had on the car since delivery. They scratched the car upon delivery. I take the car into the service, I show them the tire vibration issue, I show them the dashboard imprints issue. I want to show them this, but they say, oh, next customer, there's no time for you to show us this issue. Schedule another appointment. Now, at this point, I want to punch the guy in the service center in the face. But I'm a polite person, so I say, you know what, screw it, we're going to talk about this next time. It's not worth it to have a fight right now. I'm going to go home, give me my loaner car, and that's it. So let's look at Tesla's record on this service visit. So they lie their asses off about the tires vibrating and they blame it on me despite clearly the wheels being misaligned. Then the third issue is that the imprints in the dashboard, they lie. They say it's a cosmetic issue, they will not solve it, so they are unwilling to solve anything. And then with the scratches, they refuse to even look at them because there's not enough time. So what are my next options? Do I take the car into service again? Do I escalate this issue to someone at Tesla? What do you think I should do? To me, this is a severe disappointment, as I would have hoped that a company like Tesla could stand up and have customer service similar to Apple's, where you go in and if it's one of their genuine issues that they caused on manufacturing, they'll simply go ahead and replace and fix the problems, because that's what companies do. They stand behind their product. This, for me, is a stage where I'm severely disappointed with Tesla, and I recognize this will hurt a lot of owners and a lot of stockholders like me who invest in Tesla and put their hopes in this company.